In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page using Hubspot. So, whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, this tutorial will guide you through every step of the process, making it super easy for you to follow along and create that perfect landing page tailored to your business needs. First, you'll need to go to the Hubspot homepage. You can easily access it by typing hubspot.com into your browser's search bar and hitting enter. This will bring you to a landing page filled with a myriad of resources and information on HubSpot's impressive suite of tools designed for your business needs. Don't worry, we'll focus on a specific part for today, which is creating a landing page. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Login button. You can usually find this button at the top right corner of the web page. Logging in is crucial because it provides access to all the features HubSpot offers, aligning them with your unique business context and needs. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find that you're redirected back to the HubSpot home interface. The dashboard will look a bit different now that you're logged in. It's often referred to as HubSpot Home by frequent users. This homepage is your operational hub where the creation process begins. Now look for the menu option labeled Content on the interface. Clicking on this will expand a variety of choices centered around content management, and it's here that most users start organizing their marketing campaigns. After clicking on Content, you'll see an option for Landing Pages. This is the section where you can manage, edit, and analyze the performance of your landing pages. For those of you new to this, landing pages are like gateways to your website. They are crucial for converting visitors into leads. Now let's roll up our sleeves and create a new landing page. Look for the Create button. It's your go-to for starting fresh. You'll find it within the Landing Pages section. Go ahead and click it to proceed. Once you've clicked Create, you will be prompted to click on Create Page next. This is the final gateway into the page creation process. By following this series of clicks, HubSpot sets the stage for you to craft an engaging and effective landing page. And there you have it. You've just learned the preliminary steps involved in starting to create a landing page in HubSpot. Whether you're offering something valuable to your customers or simply want to gather potential leads, creating a compelling landing page is a skill that can powerfully enhance your marketing strategy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more informative tutorials. Keep exploring and take full advantage of HubSpot's versatile platform. Stay tuned to learn how to customize and publish your new landing page in our upcoming videos.